When your business's Wi-Fi just isn't fast enough, it's frustrating for everyone, which can mean more complaining and less work being done. Here are 5 quick ways to check and boost your Wi-Fi speeds. First, run a speed check and write down the results. Use the same speed test service each time, so you're comparing like for like. Next, check who's doing what. If all your team are watching YouTube and uploading big files, that will slow down the Wi-Fi for everyone. Number 3. Reboot your Wi-Fi router. Turn it off and wait a minute. Once everything's reconnected, run a speed test again. Next, reboot your devices and clear your browser's cache. These 2 things can speed up devices. Finally, check which devices are connected to your network. If there are any you don't recognize, tell your IT partner immediately. If your business offers Wi-Fi access to the public, make sure this is a different network to the one your team relies on. No business should have to suffer slow Wi-Fi. Contact us and we'll help speed up yours.